Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. National Board of Examination NB New Delhi had issued a new advisory for final year DNB, DRNB and FNB trainees in the view of extraordinary situation due to the surge in COVID-19 cases. So in this video I will talk about it in short, and I will relate with the notice that was published on 18th of January to 2021. I will show that notice also, and what it tells actually, that we will discuss in detail. Before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe it, and you can look at the description where we have given a Telegram group. You can join that group, and in the description we have given the link for uh, many ebooks for open state details, DNB, and details for deemed university counseling. So you can have those details at your end. That will help you in setting up goal in case you are looking for private colleges, or you are not very sure about getting a good rank for government colleges. So that will help you in setting up your goal, which college you can go for, and depending on your budget and branch, you can also get an idea about the cutoff. Okay, so now let's get started. Since we know we have been keep on getting all the notifications related to postponement of examination. NEET PG 2021 exam got postponed by at least 4 months more. That is in September only the exam may happen. So, and these all decisions are taken after the meeting happened with the medical experts. In the same meeting, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also available, and in the same meeting it was taken, decision was taken that they will ask all the final year MBBS students, and there was a notice came on 27th of April 2021 regarding all final year postgraduate MSMD diploma students to continue their service as a resident, and it means their services as a resident will be extended until fresh batches of postgraduate students join, or NEET PG 2021 counseling is concluded, whichever is happened earlier. By that date, their services as resident will be extended, and their services as resident will be extended to be utilized at the NB accredited hospital. Okay, so I will and the sixth point, the NB accredited hospitals are required to pay them the stipend to the trainees as per the stipend guideline of NV. So whatever the stipend you have been getting, you will continue to get. The point number 5 tells all the DNB and FNB trainees are required to discharge the duty as may be prescribed by their hospitals in this time of national exigency. In this time of national exigency, in case you have a proper reason to get you discharged from the duty, they will allow it. So it's kind of a medical emergency. In army case, all the leaves used to get cancelled for army in exigency cases. So same way you can apply for the region, and in case you want to get discharged from the service, which is not recommended. Okay, so now I will show you the notification that was received on NB website on 18th of January. As per the notice received by NB on its own website on 18th of January, they had already extended the training of DNB, FNB and DRNB students, finalist students, by 3 months. Okay, so the batches for DNB 2018, DRNB 2018, and DNB broad specialty post diploma course 2019, FNB 2019, they had already declared to extend the duration of a specialty specific training. That was in order to compensate for the loss of the training that could have happened and that was also due to COVID-19 pandemic, the first phase. So apart from on top of this 3 months of mandatory extension, those candidates who were whose tenure is was about to complete in 2021, so their services as trainee or a resident will continue until next fresh by joins. So that's the crux of entire notification. Okay, so that's it from our side. If you have any kind of question or suggestion, you can comment us on the comment section of the video. And for any further information that you need, you make sure that you subscribe the channel and click on the bell button. We will keep on posting all the updates relevant to NEET PG 2021 counseling, all the updates relevant to final year MBBS students, final year DNB FNB students. So all the updates you will keep on receiving on this channel. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.